I got a helicopter from Ken, and this is the most well-packed box I've ever seen. Fragile everywhere. This side up, fragile, fragile. This side up. And just to think of the work that it took to make this box is just unbelievable. Mom was going around showing everybody. I think there's another note underneath this one. The little note. Yeah. We gotta read this one. This one. No, you changed it. So I gotta see how to get in here. The safest way. I think Ken's grinching right now, seeing me with the big knife. What do you think, hon? I'm being quiet. Oh, there's a little opening. Ken, do you want the box back? This took a lot of work. I'm going to save this box though if I ever have to ship this helicopter. Oh my God. Like Pandora's box. Structural. Mama's being quiet. Say something, Mama.
Hi.
Oh, yay. Paper for lighting the fire. We're getting closer. Oh. Oh.
What was on sale in PEI last week?
Oh, look at that. There it is. Oh, there's stuff in here. Any cookies, Ken? Come on. Okay. Drumsticks. Holy moly. Gotta figure this puzzle out. This is very well packed. Good job, Ken. I wonder what's going on sale in PEI. What? Let's check it out. Wow. Take a look at that, huh? No, I got so much paper I lost the knife. Where's the knife? So, I don't know how we did this. I gotta give you again, you did a great job of packing. Holy smokes.
This unboxing is brought to you by Tuck Tape.
Yeah. Oh, I like duct tape. I don't know how to get in here. I don't know. So I'm glad you didn't have crazy glue. Wow. I still can't get it out. There's the bag. There's blades. Oh, there's got little pockets and everything. That is crazy, man. You are the box genius.
Somebody deserves a pinky ring.
Yeah, I guess. Got the metal on this one. Holy smokes. No wonder it took them a day to box. It's like somebody was bored. Wow. Let's see more helicopter. Yeah, it's a big one. I don't need paper anymore. Oh, there's something. Oh, there's a pull cord. I still can't get in here. It's holding us today. Oh, I see. I see now. This is crazy. Well, still not done. Cool. Bottom of the bag. We're getting closer, I'm thinking. Oh, no. Still no. Lord, turn it back. There we go. That is a box. More tape. I think I owe you $10 in duct tape. I'm pretty sure. Oh, smoke. Hey, we're getting closer. I'm saving that box. Yeah, for sure. Wow. Oh, there's a blade. There's a blade. There's Pete. We're almost there. Gotta do the voice. Oh, lost the knife again. Wow, you ever seen one like this one? Holy jeepers. That's crazy. Make this big enough. Holy crap. The detail. Oh, you are the rapper extreme. I will give you that. Oh, there's a helicopter. Baby. Here, we'll put the nose on it. Arm here. Yay. Helicopters are sexy. And there we go. Dangerous but sexy. And there we go. Thank you, Ken. Very well packed. And good idea doing the video because that box was unbelievable. Thank you very much.